Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the menu language and the odometer language of a Volkswagen Tiguan. There are two different menus you have to change before to get to the menu you want, language you want. I'm going to show you how you can do that. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 300 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Any questions, any comments, use the comment area and I get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, first of all, let's start with the multimedia interface, the RNS. To change it, go to Setup, System, Language, and as you can see, you can scroll down and change it to the desired language. Go back and the language must have been changed to the desired language. That was the first one. The second one is slightly different. You have to enter the menu in the odometer. To enter it, the menu without the buttons on the steering wheel, press this button over here. Keep pressing that till the menu appears over here. Use the same button to scroll down. Go to Settings. With this button, there is a button under. Press that. Go to Language, confirm with another. And as you can see, you can scroll down and change it to the desired language. Confirmation button is under, okay, under, okay. Find the back button. And again back. Once you are here, go to MFT, confirm again, and as you can see, the menu language has changed to the desired language as we prefer. That was it. Thanks for watching and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care.